Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn to make chocolate-covered strawberries. It is a favorite item for Valentine's Day. Here, we are using a double broil method. So I've placed some hot water in a pot, and I've placed chocolate in a bowl and placed the bowl over the hot steaming water. Be sure to stir and remove from the water occasionally in order to avoid overcooking your chocolate. So with this process, you do not want to keep your chocolate over the heat for long periods. Okay, so now we're going to grab our strawberries and toothpicks. We're going to place a toothpick in the stem of our strawberry, and this will help us dip our strawberries perfectly into our chocolate. We're also using wax paper as our non-stick surface. Next, we're going to grab a small piping bag and pour some of our chocolate into it. Grab some brushes and your dust for dusting your strawberries. Be sure to grab food grade glitter for your strawberries. Okay, so now we're ready to dip our strawberry into our chocolate. Remove from the chocolate and let drip any excess chocolate into the bowl. Place onto your wax paper. Repeat this process until all of your strawberries are fully coated in chocolate. There are some methods which require you to add oil to your surface to avoid your chocolate strawberries from sticking, but we've decided to simply use wax paper. And wax paper, it's very easy. It doesn't stick or damage the strawberry. When your strawberries are all dried up, you will be able to easily peel it off of the wax paper. This final white chocolate covered strawberry is very special. We're going to use it to add our sprinkles to it. Here we're going to add some awesome sprinkles. So you want to do this step while your chocolate is still wet. This will help any sprinkles stick to your wet chocolate. Our next design will grab our dried white chocolate covered strawberry and dip it into our chocolate sauce. This is one of my favorite designs and it's very simple. In our next video, we will show you how to add some other designs to your chocolate covered strawberries. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.